Investing in resilience is a strategic necessity, and for a country whose GDP is closely tied to tourism, agriculture, and natural resources, a single large-scale disaster can wipe out years of progress and impose long-term fiscal and social costs. By building better now, we reduce future repair bills, shorten economic downtime, protect lives, and preserve our national development trajectory. Also, Madam Speaker, let me remind all Jamaicans that resilience is not solely the job of the government. It is a national project that requires every community member, every business, every agency, and every parish to participate. Because in a world where storms will become stronger, quicker, and more unpredictable, our greatest defense is preparedness. Madam Speaker, it is clear that Hurricane Melissa will have a profound economic impact on our country. The storm struck the heart of Jamaica's productive belt. It tore through our breadbasket parish of St.